Hi friends, Andariki Namaste. My name is Rutvik. You are watching Architect English. Friends, you may all heard Gorilla Glass in our mobile phone specifications. So what is nothing but this Corning Gorilla Glass? Actually, these are nothing but the protection glasses which the company is providing to you. This is made up of alumina silicate material. Normally, in previous days, two companies which are producing this type of protection glasses. One is Dragon Glass and another is Gorilla Glass. So many companies are producing, but these two are popular in those times, like in the year 2010, in those times. But now we are seeing only Gorilla Glasses, but not this Dragon Glasses. Why? So let us discuss about this in this video. First thing, the Gorilla Glass has different generations. For generation to generation, they have improved the reliability or improved the toughness of the material or toughness of the glass. But while in the case of this Dragon Glass, we have only one generation. So there are more disadvantages for Dragon Glass when compared to this Gorilla Glass. So that's why it has become less popular. Now the most popular type of glass is Gorilla Glass. So let us see the evolution of Gorilla Glass. In what from generation to generation, what they have increased. Actually, from generation to generation, they have increased the toughness and hardness of the material. And let us see what the changes they have made from generation to generation. So first, Corning Gorilla Glass 1. In that, they have mainly focused on the fingerprint attraction. This glass will not attract the fingerprints. That is the primary thing they have concentrated on the first generation. And one more thing is, the thickness of the glass is 1.2 mm in the case of this generation 1. Actually, these are mainly used in our iPhone 1, which is launched in the 2007. And the next generation is Corning Gorilla Glass 2. In this, they have mainly concentrated on thickness of the material or thickness of the glass, because 1.2 mm for mobile screen is more. So that's why they have reduced the thickness to 0.7 mm from 1.2. And again, they have concentrated one more thing, that is pressure monitor or pressure resistance. It is able to withstand up to 50 kg of pressure without breaking. So that is the change they have made from generation 1 to generation 2. And next the third generation, Corning Gorilla Glass 3. This is the first time they have introduced the new technology called NDR, that means native damage resistance. In this technology, what is this technology means? Just to improve toughness to the alumina silicate material, we are adding alkali material like sodium and potassium. So by adding this type of materials, the toughness of glass is increased, so that prevention of scratches is up to 35% in the Gorilla Glass 3 generation. And next, coming to the fourth generation, Gorilla Glass 4. In that, what the changes they have made is, they have just increased the toughness of the material, and it is the first type to bring the drop resistance. That means if you throw your phone on the hard surfaces, then it can able to withstand without breaking. So that is the new change they have made from Gorilla Glass 3 to Gorilla Glass 4. And Gorilla Glass 5, they have improved the hardness to the double. That means Gorilla Glass 5 was double the hardness than Gorilla Glass 4. So in this Gorilla Glass 5, we can able to throw our phone on the hard surfaces from 1.6 meter height. It can able to withstand. And next, Gorilla Glass 6. In this Gorilla Glass 6, further they have increased the toughness. Nothing new. And the main and latest thing is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Victus is nothing but the latest generation of this Corning companies. So in this generation, they have increased the toughness furthermore up to we can able to throw our phone on the hard surface from 2 meter high. It can able to withstand. So actually this Victus glass is used in some flagship mobiles nowadays. And Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Actually Gorilla Glass 6 is also available, but the most popular type of glass is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Actually it was launched in 2016, but till now we are using this Gorilla Glass 5 in many of the devices. So this is up to this Gorilla Glass evolution. And recently there is one more type of display came into picture, that is Nippon Electric Glass. This Nippon Electric Glass is other than this Corning company. This is new company. Nippon is a new company which is producing this type of protection glasses. So this Nippon Electric Glass has the hardness in between Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and 5. This was used in previously launched mobile phone like Motorola Edge 40. Actually, these type of glasses, protection glasses for our mobile phone, there are many types, but the main emerging company nowadays is Corning Gorilla Glass. Actually, another company is also there, that is Scott Sensation company, Scott Sensation Glass. So that type of glass is from Japan, but that is not that much famous like Gorilla Glass. So friends, finally I conclude that while we are using our mobile phone, please keep the temper glass or any protection or any cover or any screen guard to it, because it cannot able to resist the scratches 100%. Actually, in the YouTube you are seeing the testing, glass testing like that. Actually, they are always taking the knife or any steel part or any steel materials to rub on the display. But there are no scratches at the time, because the hardness of the glass is more than the hardness of the steel or stainless steel. But the hardness of the sand material is always greater than hardness of the glass. So it is always better to use screen guard to our mobiles while we are using in our daily life. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.